Here's my blade. We got an unboxing today, guys. Follow your boy. We're heading over here. We just got a package in, like literally like 5 minutes ago. But check it out. From KrazyGood. I finally got my KrazyGood boxes, so I'm gonna go ahead and open these bad boys up right now. I got 2 of them, so let's go ahead and check them out. All right, let's take this out the box. Finally got it in. Been waiting like 6, 7, 8 weeks. I don't even know how long we've been waiting for. But we got it in. The wait is over. We got the KrazyGood box, the all black on black joint. I don't even remember what I ordered for like what inserts it is, because I know your boy has so many clippers. But we got the 6 box right here. Yeah. And then here's the, oh, of course we're gonna put the Clipper Guru sticker on there. Here's the cord for it. Put this to the side. So here is everything that I bought. Look, I'm gonna show you the invoice. It came with the Babyless Low Pro FX clipper, the Babyless Low Pro FX trimmer, a shaver. Man, y'all see what I got on the box? I ordered separate inserts also, and then I ordered another box. There it goes. Now it's in there.
You heard the click?
Yeah, it's in there.
I was scared to push it in there.
Don't be scared to push it in, Joe. You gotta push it in sometimes. You gotta be rough with it. But anyway, let's check out the other box that I got. But I got some other inserts. I got a tool. So y'all check that out. We'll open this up in a minute. Man, I got so many different inserts. I don't even remember everything I bought. It's been like 6, 7 weeks, man, so I don't remember, but we're gonna figure it out here in a minute. I'm gonna put this on my station. Y'all gonna see my station updated. Shout out to KrazyGood for the power box. Once again, it took them a good minute, but we got it situated. Another insert. Here is the other box. Let's take this stuff out. All right, guys, check it out. This is the other KrazyGood box. I got a 4. And once again, we're gonna have to, I'm gonna have to see what I actually ordered, because you know your boy's got a bunch of clippers. I don't even remember what the inserts are, but I bought a bunch of extra ones. I don't know, we're gonna have to check this out, put it on the station and see what it is. Let's go. All right, guys, so check it out. I just set up my KrazyGood boxes. I got one right here, and then I got my other one right there. But y'all check out the new station. I still ain't finished setting it up 100% completely. It's still a mess. I still got shit everywhere. But nonetheless, y'all see your boy. They don't call me the Clipper Guru for nothing. Let's go. All right, guys, so as y'all seen, your boy got 2 of those KrazyGood charging boxes. And honestly, guys, I really like the way they look. I like the way, you know, I like the idea of it, because now I can charge multiple clippers with 1 cord. You know what I'm saying? So I have a 6 insert box and a 4 insert box, and it takes 1 cord each to charge each box. So I'm using 2 cords to charge 10 clippers, and that's super dope, because before I would have wires everywhere. You know what I'm saying? Even when I was using the 245 pads, I still had to put the wire to the pad on there and then the power clip. And you know, it ended up being wires still that I was trying to get rid of. So with this KrazyGood box, it actually is cutting down a lot of the wires. Now, I did get extra inserts to swap in and out my inserts. They do send you like a flathead screwdriver, and it's really simple to pop the insert out. But I don't know if I'll be doing that, because honestly, it takes a little bit of time. It's kind of tedious. You gotta pop the insert out, and then you gotta unplug. You know, you got to unplug the insert and then plug in the other one and pop it back in place. So I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to, you know, if I'm really going to want to do that. So I may just get another box if I want to use another one. But as of right now, I'm good with what I have. One thing I can say is there was some inserts that well, it was just kind of hard for the clipper to go in, you know what I'm saying? Like it did fit, but sometimes you had to like really push the clipper in, or it was a little loose and it just didn't fit perfectly snug. But for the most part, it still charges. I think there was like 1 or 2 inserts that I had that didn't work. I tried unplugging them, plugging them back, putting the clipper on there, didn't work. Now I'm not really upset about that. I still have my charging stand for those clippers, and I'm sure if I sent them an email, they'd probably, send me a new insert or whatever. But it is what it is, man. I'm not even really too upset with that. The fact that I finally got my boxes that I've been waiting for like 7-8 weeks is, that's good. Like I'm just glad that I got that finally, and it's a good addition to add to my station. Now, one thing that I feel some people will find an issue with is it is 3D printed, so you can see the layers on the box. Like, man, I wish I would have brought the box home. But you can see like layers on the box. Now, it's not necessarily a bad thing, but you can tell that it's 3D printed. Now, like I said, guys, it's not necessarily a super bad thing, but maybe in the future they can think about upgrading and actually just upgrading what they have and making the boxes a little more, I don't want to say a little more sturdy, but just for the quality to be better. Because if y'all know, a lot of 3D printing stuff, it looks all right, but for the most part, sometimes it doesn't work or it doesn't last long term. So I'm really hoping these things last, you know what I'm saying? Like I spent like $400 on both of these boxes, so I'm really hoping it lasts. Also, I don't want to say that the box feels cheap or like it's gonna fall apart, but I just feel like if I dropped it, it might break, and obviously that's not something I want. So obviously I'm gonna try not to drop it, right? And it kind of goes back with the whole 3D printing thing. Maybe later on they will upgrade and just make it seem a little more sturdier. That way I don't have to worry about it, messing up or bending or the charging port breaking and not working right. Now, some of the clippers don't fit perfectly in the slots. Some of them are a little loose, but like I said, for the most part, it does work good. It charges my clippers every time they're in the insert. It's just little small things that I'm nitpicking about. And I know y'all might think like, man, Tank's really hating right now, but I'm not hating. I'm just trying to be 100% honest with y'all. I do think it's a good idea if you have a lot of clippers on your station that you would like to display, and it makes your station look a lot nicer. Like I feel like my station looks a lot nicer with these boxes. But like I said, guys, if you're interested in buying the box, I will leave the link down in the description so y'all can check that out, and y'all can do your own due diligence. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can search up some more reviews on these boxes. Me personally, I'm satisfied with it. I just wish that they came, a higher quality, but it is what it is, man. Like it's gonna work. It's gonna get the job done. So I really ain't tripping on it. But nonetheless, guys, that's basically it for this video. If y'all like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.